This is Holden's present from Evan. You want to pull that baby away?
Wow!
What is it?
Darth Vader lightsaber!
Yeah.
Okay, now can I let the baby duck exist in me?
Sure.
Squirmy.
Yeah. Can I open this?
Of course.
What do you say to Evan?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Isn't that awesome? Here, I'll open
Can
it
you
for
give Evan a hug and say thank you? That was a great present from your big brother. Holden, Evan looked at so many different lightsabers to find the perfect one for you.
I am Darth Vader.
Good job. Yay, Evan. Oh, you're giving me whiplash. No, you're going to make our viewers at home nauseous. Lightsaber.